You're... Ahem, 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 ahem. Mariah Carey. Hello. I'm just gonna play Farlight again. Walang handcam kasi walang charge yung phone ko. Kaya kaya Farlight hindi ako magka-craft kasi walang battery yung phone ko. Pahar. Tayo ng mouse. Yay! Hello. Ayaw mag-connect ng drawing tablet! USB device not recognized daw. Oh my gosh. Start PC. Hindi. Laging may ganito. Ayun. Laging nagaganon yung yung drawing tablet. Di nagko-connect. Let's go! Ay, sino pala gusto sumali? Gusto niyo sumali. Walang music? Ba't walang naririnig? Bluetooth mode. Ding ding. Ayun, narinig na ako. Ano yan? Firelight. You, Justin. Para siyang, basta Battle Royale. Titig nyo naman yung music ba? Naririnig nyo ba yung audio? Narinig nyo ba yung audio? Okay, sige. So, sino gusto sumali? Meron ba sasali? Sa first person. Kasi na din po ako gamit yung audio. Wala sasali, start ka na! Let's go. Hindi na kaya ng phone ko yan. Hindi na pwede dito yung phone at crossplay. Kailangan kong PC. PC ako. So, PC. Look at that now. It's fandom. Siya yung ginagamit ko nung lagi ako solo. Siya na yung ginagamit ko ngayon. I mean, lagi akong mag-isa. Yung hindi ako namamatch sa squads. Let's go. Let's start. Hindi. Pa lang pala to, warm up. Ang cute nung yung leg warmers ni So gorgeous. Yo. Walang handcam ngayon kasi walang battery yung phone ko. Nag-charge pa lang. Oh no! Yung ko, drawing tablet. Ayun.
A new Reaper. Good luck with that. That little one's shield just vanished. Getting ammo. Another one down.
Oh, match na. Sa pen ka, di ba, nag-i-aim? Yes! Sa pen tablet. Di ba? Yes. Tama. Oh my gosh! Yan na naman yung mga number. May mga badge na mga kakampi ko. Global Sunil. Sino si Sunil? Ito ba yung si Sunil? Yung bago? Oo, siya nga. Bago lang siya, tas meron na agad siyang badge. I'm still confused kung paano yun gamitin. Parang ang hirap pag pen gamit. Hindi, madali lang. I-hover mo to move the camera, tapos tap yung pen to click. Ang problema lang dito, di na ganing right click sa ibang games katulad nito. So, caps lock yung scope ko. Siguro sa'yo madali. Kasi, ang other option kasi is mag-ano. Wala, ayaw mag-ano ng pen. Wait lang. Oh my gosh. Ayaw mag-ano ng pen. Ayun, ayun. Anong laro yan? Firelight, Firelight. Kasi ang other option is mag-mouse. Eh, mahirap yung mouse gamitin. So, okay na to. Hehehe. This is much, much better. Ay, gusto ko yung gold. Predator Assault Rifle. Let's go. Okay na to. Hanggang dyan pa naman may other option. Si Darkness na sa paghugot.
But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
At least hindi siya na-stuck sa kanya. Kasi alam niya kung paano mag-move on. May kalaban ba? Hindi ako natingin kasi busy ako mag-loot eh. Mas importante mag-loot kaysa lumaban. Yo, Neperim. I can hear footsteps. Ayun. Na-stuck sa hugot. Na-stuck pa rin sa past. Leave me alone. A rage baiter. I'm not a rage baiter. I'm, oh my gosh, may bumabaril sa akin. Ah! Kasi may bumabaril sa akin. Yay! I got panda!
What'll help me punish my
Nasa
next
yung mga kakampi ko? Ay, pumasok siya dun. Ay, pumasok ba siya dun? Gusto ko pumasok dito. Hindi ako hindi ako rage baiter. Ay, may kalaban.
Getting amped. That little one's shield just vanished.
Hmm.
One less to worry.
Nasaan yung ibang kalaban? I'm scared! Di ako kalbo. Si Calvi yun. No stream. About that. Ba't ayaw nila pumasok dun sa loob no? Ano, gusto ko pumasok dun. May Hornet pistol. Pag nilapitan ako niyan, ibig sabihin, gusto niyang gamitin ko siya. Uy, M4. Grabe yun, no mercy. Siya yung kalbo. Hindi ako yung kalbo. Si Calvi yun. Pangalan na sa pangalan niya na. Bald Hoyo. Nasaan na yung kakampi ko? Pupuntahan ko na lang yun. Mag-a-adventure ako. Adventure time. May kalaban. Kalaban ba yun? Gusto ko pumasok dyan kasi ay pumasok na mga kampi ko. Anong abomination? Apex the Bloodstrike. It's Firelight. Tara, samahan mo ko, teammate. Yan. Baldhaya. Ay, siya oh. Nagbaril-baril si auntie. Sana walang tao. Pag may tao, good luck sa akin. Yeah. Pag nanalo si Marhay, tas MVP, papakal mo si Dek! Wait, nasan yung ano tingi? Nasan yung gitna? Eto pala. Tara, pasok ka. Habang ina-activate ko to,
Will help
buksan
me
mo yan.
finish my next
Kukuha tayo ng weapons. Let her cook. Oo, PC. Dear Best Marhay, dapat manalo at MVP. Ay, sige. Grabe. Oh. Nice. Night not BSS Predator. Ano to? Oh, yes. Oh, buti na lang naka-hornet pistol ako. Yan ang auto-aim auto-aim gun.
box is open.
Ah, frick! That was so scary. What the heck?
But you shouldn't hesitate
Ah,
forever.
ano ba yan? That made me so scared. Nahihilo ako. Hindi kasi naka-auto-aim gun kasi yun. Kaya, pwede ako mag-ganun. Pero kung mag-aim. Ay, naku. Kwento ka ate. Anong kwento? Oh, may kulay yan. Ano nangyayari? Nagpiping yung mga kakampi ko. Ano? Ay, natakot ako. Ano ba naman yan? Binabaril ko pa yung kakampi ko. Tara na, alis na tayo, guys. Alis na tayo. Natakot naman ako doon. Hindi ko alam, Shaggy Cat.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Saan ba tayo pupunta? Kahit kakampi. Shaggy. Shaggy Cat. Siya gilid yung tira. Saan ba walang kalaban? Oh, may kalaban dun. Nasaan yung kakampi ko? Boss, nasan ka? I need my teammates to protect me and carry me.
Pick a trait.
Before that, I loot.
Is that the one?
Ay! I survived it! That was so scary! That was so scary, my gosh. Sa puso ko walang kalaban. Charot. Wow! That scared me. That scared me. That scared me. Nag-ult siya sa harap ko. I had to, lunukin ko ang aking, lunukin ko ang takot at barilin siya harap-harapan. Oh my god, that was so scary. I need my teammates to carry me. Protect me, teammates.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Anong ginawa nung ko, teammate ko? Ah, kumuha siya dun. Ala.
That little one's shield just vanished.
Nasaan yung teammate ko? That was so scary. I'm scared. Help me, Mom.
We must stay vigilant.
Lock in. Wait, what am I doing? Kinakabahan ako. Buti na lang marunong yung kakampi ko.
I'm reloading.
I've been hit. Reloading. Wait for me. Almost done. Restoring shield.
Oh, shoot.
Using skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Oh, shoot. I'm dodging. I'm dodging. I'm dead! That was so scary! My teammate is alive and kicking.
Renee,
Huh? I-rest niya ako? Umamatay siya. Kulang sa sour. What? Download kaya uli ako Firelight cooking session. Is ko. My teammate is marunong. Hindi katulad ko. Kaya my teammate is gonna carry us.
a squad mate has fallen. We must stay vigilant. Seconds remaining, and we're close to the next safe zone. Just as I thought.
Oh my gosh, marires kami! Firelight to. What the heck? Our teammate is goated. Hala, ano hala? I'm scared. I'm gonna throw. I always throw. Nasaan yung teammate ko?
Changing magazines.
Yes, I got my Hornet pistol. I have invisibility nga pala, diba? Ay, kaso hindi yun magamit. Ito na lang.
Don't pry into my choices. It's a secret.
I'm scared. Hello, friends. What are we gonna do?
Enough with the hide and seek.
Someone was here.
Looks like we're
Mukhang
all in the
kailangan ko
safe
ng mag-Hornet pistol. Dahil mukhang susugurin kami dito. I have invisibility in a few.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Ah, I'm scared!
Only 2 enemy squads left.
Freak.
Switching out my ammo.
Shield recharging. Everyone's made it to the safe zone as reloading. Wait for me.
I can invisible and then do Hornet Pistol. That's what I can do. But I don't know. I know I'm a run and gun and I am very risky. Kaso, feeling ko,
Knock down an enemy. I'm under heavy fire.
nasa yung kalaban?
Down. Safe zone's shrinking, but we're close. Just a little further. Down.
Ah, freak! He doesn't even know! He doesn't even know what to do. na, wait lang kasi di ba, sabi ko, pag pinindot ko kasi to, yung right mouse button, I don't know. Anyari, nagpanic ako. Kasi,
A squad we must
kailangan ko gamitin na yung mouse.
circle is about
Yung mouse kasi kailangan ko na gamitin. Eh, di ba, ang hawak ko ay, ano yung tawag doon? Hawak ko yung pen tablet. Tinignan lang. My teammates will sasampalin mo lang. Riz yung malaman. Wow! They're carrying.
Just got owned.
What game is this? It's Firelight, where we died. Where we all died? What happened? I threw! Sabi sa inyo, nag-throw na naman talaga ako. Oh my gosh, okay. Kailangan kong wag mag-panic pag gagamitin ng mouse. Right-click lang, pipindutin, tapos pipindutin yung 2, number 2. Para sa gun. Right-click, tas number 2. Ah! Nakabahan ako. Oh my gosh. Dark Firelight moment tayo. Okay, let's go. Let's play. Ayaw na ata akong kakampi ng mga kakampi ko. Wait, let's start. Sana hindi nila ako ni-report for throwing. Magluto ka na, Marhaya. Sa Sunday. Ay, by the way, sa February 14, sa Saturday, may poem reading, guys. So, kung gusto nyo mag-submit ng poems, babasahin ko siya on Saturday, mga 6 p.m. Tapos sa Sunday, gagawa ko ng tikoy lumpia. Basta tikoy na binal sa lumpia wrapper, tsaka... Uy! Tikoy na binalot sa lumpia wrapper at may cheese. Asa yung kalaban?
Getting ammo. Reaper? Music to my ears.
Ay, tumama! Ang hirap naman tuma. Oh, God.
Reloading. Wait.
6 p.m. may lakad pa ako nun. Na all? Flexing? Gucci naman sana. Ano ba yung 14? Alam ko pa yung reading day yun. Parang mga langaw lang na pinuputok ng water gun. Yay, poem reading day. Di natin sali si Wala PC Gaming. Wala kasi akong wala akong, wait, wala akong storage sa phone. ML nga lang yung nandun. Ayoko pa nga i-download yung resources. Hala, kinuha niya yung Phantom. Ay, hindi. Alam ko, meron ako dito gusto gamitin siya.
Let's put on a show they'll never forget.
Nice.
Sound check is complete. Let's rock.
Magluto ka ng maroyo. Ang baba ng rating. Ano nangyari dun sa ano? Headpats for Marhoyo. Aw, thank you, Clarice. Ano yan, adobo? Hindi. I'm cooking losses and being carried by my teammates. Oh my gosh! Magka-squad yung kakampi ko! Lagot! Kailangan bawas-bawas ako yung pag-throw. Magagalit sa akin, dalawa sila. Scary, 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 scary.
We're landing right here. No argument.
Saan kami maglaland? Sa emergency center? Nakapunta na ba ako dyan? Bakit doon? Ka-drop nito loot box agad. Bakit? Huwag niyo ako susumpain. Silang sumpain niyo yung mga kakampi ko. Maganda ba dito? Gusto ko dun sa gold. Ay, hindi pala yung gold. Ay, VSS. Ah, sniper. Ano ba meron dito? Maganda ba dito mag-drop?
30 seconds. Next safe zone's close, but we better move. Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Wala akong scope.
Enemy got first blood. We can't let them get away with it.
Ano ba yun? Bakit may ganyan? Hello, Kronos. Only PC, yeah. PC lang yung pwede. Kaya kung gusto nyong sumali, guys, sa PC, kasi hindi pwede crossplay. Dati daw pwede yun eh. Yek, pareho lang pala yun. Ano ba yan? Ay! Bakit ako umakyat?
A new Reaper. Good luck with that.
Hello, friends. Ito yung mga teammates ko. Mababait sila. They want to carry me to victory because
Let's do this.
they're kind.
Somewhere nice. Keep up. I'm a pro.
Napuntahan ko na yan ah. Saan na kami pupunta? Ay, doon? Hindi only her but no label. Ano? Hindi ko pala to nagamit last time. Saan ba kami dadaan dito? Mala Spider-Man galaw nito.
A new Reaper? Good luck with that.
Time to pick
Uy, maganda pala yung scope ko. Nice. I'm happy.
Metal Peepers found something.
3 enemies. Let's go. Let's kill people.
Get over here.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Ano ba ang ginagawa nito?
A
Letter
new
E?
Reaper.
At Q.
Good luck with that.
Ano yun? Ano yung binabato ko?
The beat.
Q.
I can hear you.
Enemies up ahead. Reloading. Open fire. Reloading. Wait for me.
Binabaril ko yung kakampi ko! Oh, hindi niya dapat yun napansin. Dapat hindi niya yun napansin. Hello, Barhaya. Yoko, Jolie. Uy, M4.
Oops, I forgot to upgrade my trait.
Nice. Sponsor box spotted.
Sponsor box. Kukunin ba yun? Ha? Pupunta ba tayo sa sponsor box? Maglulot muna ako. Uy! Hindi pala pupunta.
Enemies up ahead.
May kalaban muna. Magkikill muna ata. Sasama ako sa kakampi ko. Mamaya na ako maglulot. Because I'm a loot goblin lang meron sa likod mo. Meron ba? Gumanda graphics ng game. Where are my teammates? Ah! I'm scared! How do I get carried if I'm lost? Ba yan? Paano ko makaakyat? Oh shoot, oh shoot. Ah! I'm scared!
I'm taking heavy fire.
Time to reload. I'll be back on stage in a jiffy.
Nasaan na yung mga teammates ko? I'm scared, I'm scared, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Now that's a perfect. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my trait.
Ah! The zone! Nakatakot tukot-tok nun.
Safe zone shrinking. We've got a long way to go. I can hear you. Time to reload.
Shield made of paper. Reloading. Total elimination.
Loot first before anything else. Ay, may hornet pistol. Dalawang hornet pistol.
Get over.
Nasaan?
I can hear you.
Enemies up ahead. Look, over there.
Oops.
Sige, re-rest ko muna siya.
Trait.
It's too important to lose. 30 seconds.
Relax. Here comes some music therapy.
Ay, may gold na box! Doon muna tayo.
Thanks, buddy.
Restoring shield.
Tara na, tara na.
I can hear you.
That shield made of paper. Reloading.
Enemy down. Another one solved. I'm really on a roll today.
Ah! Ah! Huh! Buti na lang. Hindi ako namatay.
Over here. Perfect spot to throw down.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. I can hear you.
New buddy incoming.
Nasaan teammates ko? Susundan ko kayo. Kayo mauna. Uy, may hornet pistol. Uh-oh. Are we gonna die? Am I gonna die?
Like my bullets. Total elimination.
Oh, shoot.
Shield recharging. Safety comes
Ay! Patay na ako! I died. I die. I'm dead. I'm dead. Ah! Wang. Okay, magbabasa na muna ako ng chat. I threw again. Ganda naging pixelated. Anong laro yan? Firelight. Nakakatakot tutok no. Nakakatakot. Oh my gosh. Bakit buhay yung mga kakampi ko? Bakit nila ako i-race? Huwag niyo na ako i-race! Oh my gosh. Kakakaba naman. Oh my gosh, kinakabahan ako. I-race nila ako. Oh my gosh. Meron akong ano dito.
Seconds, and we're almost in the safe zone.
Kinakabahan naman ako.
I'm under attack.
2 enemy squad left.
Getting ammo.
Paano ako dito makaakyat?
That's the law of the battlefield. Bring me back. You won't regret it.
How it ends. Build me up.
Oh shoot. Saan ako pupunta? Freak! I'm dead! Oh my gosh. Saan yung respawn device? Doon. Adventure time! Oh shoot.
Restoring shield.
Oh my gosh, I'm scary. Nakakatakot naman yun. 4 gig, I love you. Kerasan, kaya takbo lang. Mabait na kakampi. PUBG naman. May sasali ba? May sasali ba sa inyo? Hindi. Oh my gosh. Galing ko talaga mag-throw. Sorry. This, pag mga gameplay ko, it's looting, being carried, and throwing kind of gameplay. So, start. Wala sa sorry oh. Start ko na. Mag-warm up muna ako. Hala, meron na agad na kalaban. Ang bilis naman.
A new reaper.
Much agad, oh. Hindi yun true. Dami kalaban kasi. Dapat pala lumaban na lang ako. Para at least naging masaya ako bago ako mamatay. Or dapat, may skill naman kasi ako na nagde-detect ng enemies. So, mas gusto ko na tong gamitin. Kasi nagde-detect siya ng enemies. Pero ano pong Sonic Wave? Diba, launches a speaker with place on that penetrate walls and deal damage. Ah! Ito na lang. Kasi gusto ko makita yung kalaban. Para hindi ako lagi nag-hornet pistol. Kaya gusto ko rin yung hornet pistol, yung auto-aim gun. Kasi nakikita niya yung kalaban. Nakikita yung kalaban. Bang. Bang, bang, bang. Let's go. I'm excited to get carried again.
To fight together is my honor.
Kapag mag-isa na lang ako, lalaban na lang ako. I mean, kung marami masyado kalaban, lalaban na lang tayo. Saan tayo pupunta? Sa Thunder Valley? Oh! What game? I'm playing Starlight. Starlight. Dalawang Uzi yung ano ko. Yung baril.
Safe zone shrinking, but we're close.
Shotgun.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Naloot na niya. Nasaan tayo pupunta, guys? Oh, nice. Oh, gusto ko rollerblades. Rifle.
Oops, I forgot to upgrade my trait.
Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya. Invader.
Enemy killed.
Ano to?
A cargo drone.
Ano to? Invader.
Something good inside.
La 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 la.
Reloading.
Ang ganda pala loot dun.
I can hear you. Yes, tore right through their shield. Reloading as fast as I can. Wait a
Di ba tayo pupunta sa Skyland, guys? I want to explore.
Mom, I can do
Uy,
it.
nag-enjoy ka na dyan. Kaya nga eh. Nag-enjoy magpabuhat.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Don't hurry me.
I'm reloading. Another enemy knocked down. I can do it too.
Man.
Yeah, I leveled up. Time to rock out. Restoring shield.
Let's go. Gusto ko dito sa taas kasi nasa baba sila. Hornet pistol, pero hindi muna. Not today. Nag-hornet pistol na ako kanina.
Oops, I forgot to upgrade my traits. We've already surpassed half the players.
Ay, nasa city na kami. What the heck? What the heck? Ngayon ko lang inalaman ah. Natututo tuloy ako sa kanila kung saan maganda mag-drop. Gimme, 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 gimme.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Ba't wala akong makitang kalaban?
Water box is open. Leveled up. And I think I feel a song coming on.
Wait lang. G. Pwede pala mag-gain ng XP.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Walang kalaban sa amin. No wonder.
Safe zone shrinking, and we've got a long way to go.
Ah!
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this.
Wala, bumaba yung kakampi ko. Nasaan sila? Frick! I'm lost! Anyways. It's fine, it's fine. I'm fine, 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 I'm fine. I'm fine, I'm scared!
30 seconds remaining. The next safe zone is close.
Whee!
There's a surgical mask here. I can hear you. I hit the target. Enemy shield shattered. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my trait.
Frick, I'm scared!
Can do it too.
New buddy incoming.
Restoring.
Ah! I can breathe.
Who can say?
Mom wants to do it herself now. Using med kit. There's 2 enemy squads left.
Thanks a lot. Restoring shield.
Time to pick out a trait. Let's do this. Here. One enemy squad left. We might win this. I'll be right as rain in no time. Restoring shield. Sorry guys, hang in there. I sense danger. next safe zone.
Sundin ko lang yung mga kakampi ko. Ooh. May sniper ako. Oh, di ba? Marunong na ako mag-crouch. Laki din ng resource ng city
We
version.
can go here. I sense danger. Oops, I forgot to upgrade you. Direct hits. Don't look down on me. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. Restoring shield.
Wala akong matamaan! Man!
Safe zone is shrinking. Good thing we're already inside. Refilling ammo. On my way. Someone help me out. Enemy. Time for an intermission. I need to reload. Oops, I forgot to upgrade my kit.
Rest ko na ba yung isa? Dami kakampi. Oh, shoot. May sponsor box. Kasi yung kakampi ko. Ayo, far late in Big 2026 or late match sa wala ako matawaan. Nice! Ang galing ng teammates ko. Hindi ko yun maiisip. At all. Oh my gosh, 86 yung ano ko. 86 yung aking damage. Oh my gosh. Ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari? Ano nangyayari? Bakit nakaganito kami? What the heck? What the heck was that? Hala! 2 na lang pala! Oh my gosh! Tapos wala man lang ako natamaan. Oh my gosh! Tingnan natin ng details. Kita nyo ba? Oh my gosh! I had 200 naman. Okay lang rin. What time is it? Ay, 6:30 pa lang. Nice! Pwede pa ako ng 50 minutes of playing. Oh my gosh. Let's go. Nakakaba naman. Hi, Pirena. Ang bilis mag-match. Oh, hindi pa ako makapag-warm up. Pag wala pa naman akong warm up, hindi ako confident bumaril.
Looks like someone beat up.
Kala mo, I'm sniping in peace? You dare. Doon ako mangi-snipe. Dito ako mahilig mag-snipe eh. Walang katao-tao. Paano ako makakapang-snipe kung walang tao? Man. Kailangan kong bumaba.
That little one's shield just vanished. Getting ammo. Another one down. Enough with the hide and seek.
Yay! Not. Anong not? What not? Ba't walang tao?
Reloading. Don't rush me. I've been hit. Another one.
These nuts! Let's go, let's go, let's go. Siya naman,
Get ready to hand
para
over
mas safe ako
everything.
maglaro. Hulo! Global Magi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Wagaganda yung aking mga kakampi. Rick Breezy. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Stretch na muna ng leeg. Stretch.
You want me? Hard work pays off.
Stretch. Ano ba yan? I got a freaking pistol. Let's try using this later.
Looks like we're all in the
Hehe.
safe zone. Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
May taas ba to? May taas.
Huh? Somebody got knocked down. Yahoo! Nailed it!
Wala, may nag-loot na dito.
Reloading! Getting ammo. I've been hit! Shot! Their shield couldn't hold up against me! Shield is ready to go.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Enemy knockdown confirmed. Get that! We'll recover in no time.
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone.
Mga baril na yung mga kakampi.
Choosing skill traits should be done.
Ay, meron na pala akong ano,
but you
scope.
shouldn't
Nice.
hesitate. Hit. Reloading. Clean sweep. Reloading.
Aw, it was nothing.
M16. Kakagulat naman yun.
Clean sweep. Restoring shield.
Target struck.
Oh,
Shield shattered. Reload. Shield could hold up the
Reloading. Don't rush me. Should be done carefully. But you shouldn't
M4.
hesitate forever.
round of applause for our Reaper.
Let's go. Okay na. Ay! Wala na pala akong buhay. What the freak? Hindi ko na napansin. I'm dead. Kaya palang dilim ng paligid.
Hold up against me. We're under attack.
Nasa taas kami.
Enough with the hide and seek.
That's one more knockdown. Enemy down.
Ba't ganun?
Defeated. Total wipeout. Lightning speed reload coming up.
Nasaan yung mga teammates ka?
Shield is ready to go.
Yay, BRB practice lang ako.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Nasaan yung kalaban? Di ko makita.
Enemy shield.
Under enemy fire.
Ayun.
Their shield couldn't hold up against me. The enemy is down.
Lie down and reflect on what you've done.
Restoring shield.
Try ko nga to
Choosing
gamitin.
skill traits should be done carefully.
Ay.
But you shouldn't hesitate forever. Reloading. Don't rush me.
Traverse top. Total wipeout. Reloading. Hold on.
Ah! I'm lost! Where's my teammates?
Using medkit.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Galit na galit ba na rin yung hitbox wala yung kalaban.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate. Enough with the hide and seek.
La 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 la.
No need to panic. We're close to the safe zone.
Di ba to pwede dito? Ay, hindi pwede. Where's my teammates?
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Mga hunter to eh.
hide and seek.
Sense danger.
Pick a trait. What'll help me finish my next opponent? Excellent. Everyone's made it to
Wala
the
ba
safe
diyang
zone
scope
as
na mas
planned.
maayos? Ayoko ng scope ko. Narara. Tactical sight.
New buddy incoming.
Layo na ng teammates ko. Hehe. Wah!
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever. Enough with the hide and seek.
Let's go.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Sense danger. The Reaper, huh? Not impressed.
Whee!
Enemy's got a level 5
The safe
shield.
zone's shrinking,
New
but we're
buddy
close.
has
Direct
enemy hit.
Reloading.
Level 5 shield? What the heck?
Enough with the hide and seek.
Lightning speed reload coming up.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Nasaan yung ka-team ko? Ay, nandun siya. Bumapunta sa likod.
30 seconds. Better hurry to the safe zone.
Daan din ako dun.
Squads remaining.
Hindi, dito na lang ako dadaan.
Enemy detected.
Target struck. Enemy shield shattered. Reloading. Enemy knocked down.
Yun.
Fire. Yeah. Their shield couldn't hold up against me. Shield is ready to go.
That's one more clean sweep.
Busy lang ako mag-loot.
Round of applause for our Reaper.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever. Enough with the hide and seek.
Ano ba to? Ah.
Squad left. Let's get him.
Sa'yo ba yung tumutunog na Discord? Oo, sa akin ata. Lalo sikat di ako magpapakalmo.
Using medkit.
The enemy is accessing a sponsor box.
Copy that.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Keep the safe zone in sight. I'll wait for you.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
I sense danger.
Direct enemy hit. Reloading.
Don't worry. Lightning speed reload coming up.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Restoring shield.
Restoring shield.
Wala nga akong ka-shield dahil wala man akong pinatay. my god! Oh shoot.
Shield couldn't hold up against me. Another one right there. Keep your guard up. Restoring shield.
Ha? Nanalo na kami! Kaliw talaga ng tawa. Nanalo kami! Meron akong konting ambag doon. Tingnan nga natin. Oh my gosh, naku, mapupunta ako sa diamond. Ayoko. Hindi ako marunong. Uy. In-invite ako. Hindi ako marunong. In-invite niya ako. Hindi ako marunong. Ano nangyari? Bakit hindi ko na si ano? Unavailable during matchmaking. Wait lang. Umalis na siya. Wala na si Dark. Ayan na. Hindi ko sadya na swipe ko. Wait lang. Anong ginagawa ko? Titignan ko nga. Okay na to. Hindi ko sadya na swipe. Okay na to. Let's go, guys. Wait lang. Gusto ko makita ano nangyari sa kanina. Eto. I got 375. Oh my gosh. It's fine. I survived naman. Ang mahalaga, mas mataas yung damage taken ko sa kanya. 'Di ba? Oh my gosh. Let's go. Wait lang, tingin nga muna ako dito. Tignan ko nga yung ano ko season. Paano ba yun makatignan? Titignan ko yung battle record. Tapos titignan ko yung kakampi ko. What the freak? Current year Master 1 all-time best mythic. Ito yung kakampi ko kanina. Tapos ito yung isa kong kakampi. Current year. Bakit ako nandun? What the heck? Patingin nga nung iba pa. Oh my gosh. Ulo ko! What the heck? Bakit nandito yung... Ayun, ito. Pareho kami. Ni Neo Forte. Pero bakit? Ang lala. Oh, mga diamond player to. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? Tignan naman natin si Dark. La, la, la.
Little one, shield. Reloading. Wait for me. Another one down.
La, la, la. Let's go! Let's go, 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 go. Wait lang. Kaya pala hindi ko pala kasi na ano, hindi ko pala na streamer mode yung Discord. Kaya kanina niyo pa naririnig. Oh my gosh. Sensya. Nasaan na yung firelight? Hala siya uli!
Relax.
Ito yung kaninang nag-invite sa akin. Ito yung ano yung master? Yung ano niya? Yung rank niya? Manalo. Baka magsisi siya na in-invite niya ako kanina. Let's go. Oh, scary. Ala, ito yung kakampi namin kanina. Si Fige. I'm the Jet Master. Si Dark yung Jet Master.
Wish me luck.
Saan tayo?
Next safe zone confirmed. Transporting. Some light ammo, please. Someone just scored.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
May kalaban dito eh.
I've been hit. Yes. Hold up against me. Give me a sec. I was covering no time.
If only leveling
Ba yan?
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone as planned.
Gusto ko dito mag-ano. Pwede ba? Sorry guys. I have to leave you all. Oops.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever. Reloading.
Or right through their shield.
Enemy
Ay,
down.
wait lang.
The Reaper, huh? Not impressed. Damn it. I'm down. Can someone
Hala.
help me?
Wait lang.
Failed. Stop! I'm over here. Can you come and save me? Maggie's getting attacked! Restoring shield.
We're down a squad mate? That's not good. Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Hala.
Reloading.
Somebody help!
I made quick work of this shield.
I dodge. Meron pala dun sa likod. Ayun yung pinatay kanina natin. Puro global. Like to see details. Yay! That was fun though. Masaya mag-ano. Lobby. Warm up, warm up, warm up. Where are the people? Saan kayo nag-i-spawn?
That little one. Another one.
Ay! Saan na ba ako? Nawawala ako. Saan yung mga kalaban? Man!
Not with the hide and seek.
Ito yung pumatay sa akin kanina. Ah, hindi. Ikaw. Freak!
Made quick work of their shield, didn't I? Getting ammo. Another one down. Huh? I'm under attack.
Wait lang, pa-practice nga ako mag-invisible. Ah, hindi ko na-practice mag-invisible. Let's go. Uy, siya na naman kakampi natin. Pasensya na, Creed. Kami ang nakatadhana sa'yo. Let me read the donations na. Ahem. Xiaopang sent heart me. Xiaopang sent go Poplar. Thanks so much, Xiaopang. Kujoli sent heart me. Thank you so much, Kujoli. Karasan sent heart me. Thanks so much, Karasan. Yay! Okay, let's go. Number 58 ready in the Philippines. Let's go. I'm the Jet Master. Saan kaya tayo? Saan ba kami doon nag-drop last time?
And follow me.
Sa city center kaya? Ah, sa emergency center.
Commencing operation. The safe zone's shrinking, but we're close. Oh. Another squad just dropped
Rifle ammo,
nearby.
please. Careful. The enemy's landing nearby.
Hindi ko dito makaakyat.
30 seconds. Next safe zone is close.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. That little one's shield just vanished. Getting ammo. Enough with the hide and seek. I've been hit. One less to worry about. What a pity.
Shield couldn't hold up against me.
Hey, I got you a gift.
Enemy defeated.
Careful, guys. Watch your six. Empty clips are a definite no.
Another one down. Just as I planned. They're falling like
Knock cover control. Hunt them down.
weapons.
No enemies detected.
Using medkit.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Wala palang ranger yung nakuha ko.
Careful, guys. Watch your six.
Total wipeout. Lightning speed reload coming up.
Reaper, I won't let you get away with it.
Meron sa Echo Dome. Nandun na. Ganun pala yun.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent? Enough with the hide and seek.
Careful, guys. This place is good. I like it.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Half the squads are out. We can do this.
Let's go!
Careful, guys. Watch your six.
Copy that. Peggy's got it down.
Exchanging fire.
Reaper has been killed.
Go here. Early bird gets the worm.
Hala, natawag yung nanay ko.
Reloading. Hold on.
Nasaan na sila? Ano na nangyayari? May kalaban ba? Hala.
Couldn't hold up against me.
Reloading. Don't rush me.
Gather around. Sharing is caring.
lang. Kuha lang ako dyan sa sponsor box.
If only leveling up outside were this easy.
Okay, okay. Wala naman.
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever.
Hey, everyone! Get to the safe zone!
Using medkit.
Whee! Lock in na. Ha! Yo, bread.
A new Reaper has arrived. A super buddy has arrived.
The Reaper, huh? Not impressed.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Let's go. Haba nito ah. Galing niya sa ulo niya yung map. Alam niya na may zipline na ganito kahaba. Ay, shemay ka. Mali yung dinaanan ko. Hindi ko siya sinundan.
But you shouldn't hesitate forever.
New buddy incoming.
Oh, shoot. Oh, no. What do I do? How do I get out of here? Freak!
I'll recover in no time.
I'm lost! Freak! I'm dead. I'm sorry, guys. I got lost! I don't know where to go.
Enough? Almost done. Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate. 2 enemy squads left.
New buddy has arrived.
Oopsie, mali. Papunta ba ako saan? Ay, papunta doon. Ano ba yan? Ang funny! Nag-i-stream na pala ate na games. Finally! I'm alive!
30 seconds.
Ang layo lang narating ko. Oh my gosh, that was so funny. What the heck?
Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate forever. Enough with the hide and seek.
Huh? Puddle Peeper hasn't.
Excellent. Everyone's made it to the safe zone as planned. another's fate in the palm of my
Creates a zip line, what?
A most addictive thrill. Pick a trait? What'll help me punish my next opponent?
I sense danger.
A new Reaper has arrived.
Woohoo! Nailed it!
A new Reaper? Good luck with that. Not with the hide and seek.
Good news! We're all in the next safe zone.
Attention.
Enough
A
chatter.
Super Buddy is
Someone's
inbound.
been here.
Ha? Anong gagawin?
Open fire!
Pick a trait. Not with the hide and seek. Reloading.
Somebody have oops! There goes my stem.
I dead.
Bring me back. You won't regret.
Si Dark na lang pala yung natitira.
Listen up, we got a squad mate down. Things are getting serious. Brothers and sisters.
Yay! Nice, G! Anong laro yan ng... Ano po, Firelight. Hihi. Namatay siya. Pero nares agad. Manonood muna ako. Wow. Katakot naman yun. Mapasok ka dun sa ano, sa loob ng kalaban. Sila na yung panalo. Kinabahan ako. Hindi ko mapigil yung sarili. Yung sinipin Discord kahit alam ko dito. Sorry. That was fun. Like to see details. Yay! Yay, 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 yay. Nars na. 7:30. Okay, last game. Lost G. Uzi. Kailangan, ano to, malapitan. I need to run and gun. Where are people? Yun. Patay ng AFK. Walang tao. I wanna try this game again for real.
I made quick work of their shield, didn't I?
Man! I did. Oh! I got freaking... I got a sniper on me. Let's go. Happy streaming. Thank you, Viewport! Man! Kinatay ako ni Dark!
A new reaper.
Let's go, run and gunning. Running and gunning. Man!
Quick work of their shield, didn't I?
Gusto ko matry itong duelist revolver.
Reloading.
Frick! Pinatay niya uli ako! Where are you? Cypher yun. Ano ba yan? Beaufort babies and no, not times 1. Beaufort babies and TikTok times 9. Thank you so much, Beaufort. Kailangan ko basahin yung buong pangalan. Let's go. Last game. Then we will end stream. Stretch the neck.
Light catchers, welcome to the Farlight Hub.
Ay, ngayon ko lang naalala, meron pala akong invisibility. I forgot. Dang.
Get ready to hand over everything you own.
Preparations are over. Let's give a big hand to all light catchers. I can't wait to see you in the best one publishing team.
Sniper Trident. Hala, nakakatakot naman to. Isang squad yung kalaban. I'm the Jet Master. Saan tayo? Saan ba yung nag-ano yung last time?
I'm taking command.
Research facility ata yun eh. I don't remember. Na lang ulit tayo sa... Hindi. Yun tayo sa research facility. Yun sa malayo yung yung kakampi natin. A pistol.
Using sport points should be done carefully. But I shouldn't hesitate.
Nice. Ay, cornet pistol.
Good luck with that.
Natawag talaga yung ko. Hindi pwede.
Was that shield made of paper? Reloading. Don't rush me.
Wala pa akong magandang baril.
Restoring shields. Defense is the key.
Pick a trait. What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Sasakay na ako. Hindi pa.
They got me. I'm down.
Wala, namatay siya.
Respawn device over there.
Sige, sige, sige. Rescue ka namin. Pagkatapos ko mag-loot.
Listen up. We got a squad mate down. Things are getting serious.
Pick a trait? What'll help me punish my next opponent? Enough with the hide and seek.
Thanks, buddy.
M4! M4 my guy.
Pick a
Tara,
trait.
pasok tayo sa ano,
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Skyland.
Enough with the hide and seek.
Yay!
Just down to cargo drone.
Ay,
Let's see if
nasa
it's worth
taas.
saving.
Ano ba yan?
Just down to cargo drone. Let's see if it's worth saving. If only leveling up outside were this
Ano
easy.
kinuha niya?
I've got a Skyland Vault keycard. Pick a trait.
Reaper has been killed.
What'll help me punish my next opponent?
Attention, the safe zone countdown has commenced.
We're nearly to the safe zone,
Invader.
just the way I like it.
Sniper. Hmm? Roller skates.
Sponsor box is open. Come check it out.
Delivering airdrops.
Exchanging target armor destroyed. Hunt them down. Empty clips are a definite no. Enemy down.
A new Reaper has arrived.
A new Reaper?
Penance Wound
Good luck with
Fields.
that. Choosing skill traits should be done carefully. but you shouldn't hesitate forever. 30 seconds. We're close to the next safe zone.
Saan kayo papunta?
Open fire. Target armor destroyed. Hunt them down. Target down. Let's keep up the chase. Empty clips are a definite no. Getting ammo.
Let's go! Na-all panalo na Asia top yung kalaban. Sad na yung avatar mo. Lapit na last G. Oh my gosh. May mga kalaban dun.
3 enemy squads left.
Enemy down. Damn, I'm hit. Send you all on your way. It's no single man money.
Nox! Pinatay lahat ni Dark.
Defense is the key.
New buddy incoming.
Patching up.
Kailangan na natin pumasok dahil yung zone.
One squad left. Time to down.
Enough with the hide and seek. Choosing skill traits should be done carefully, but you shouldn't hesitate. The safe zone shrinking,
New
but we're
buddy
close.
has arrived.
Using medkit. Battle peepers found. I'm down. Give me a hand. Enemies up ahead.
Reloading.
I dodge. I tried to fight them.
Bring me back. You won't regret it.
Under attack.
Yay! Nice one. That was fun. Muntik na. Yuck! Snox! MVP. Uy, I got Scarlet Ignition. Nice! Nice. Di ako kalmo. Ay! Oo nga, no! Ay, wait lang. Ano nga ba yung sinabi niya nun, Nagkad? Pag panalo ko, tas MVP? Yeah, nice G. Oh, kalmo naman si Dark. Hindi. As usual, I throw. Wait lang. Kailangan ko nung events. This one. Buti na lang. Smart shop. 130. 652. Kailan ba ito matatapos? 226. Kaya ko ba yun i-grind? Top Asian katapat natin. Yay! Nice G! Thank you. Ako ay mag-end stream na at nakalimutan ko na naman pala ng VOD. Mag-upload. Thank you guys for tuning in. And I will catch you in the next time. Bye-bye! Bye-bye! Puro Firelight ako ngayon, hindi na ako nakaka-ML.